All right, Luxman R-1030, completely redone and very good shape. It's old, so it's not perfect, but it's in pretty good shape. Everything works like it should. LEDs in there, very nice, not too harsh lighting, just a nice warm glow. It does work like it should. You can see I'm on FM and it shows which direction you got to turn. Here, I'll show you that it works.
Rates may apply. No purchase required. Terms apply. Available at eatiqbar.com/policy/terms of service. Most protein bars are packed with sugar, carbs, and unpronounceable ingredients. There's a much better option. I'm Will, and I crafted IQ Bar plant protein bars with clean, functional, delicious ingredients.
Now you can get 20% off all IQ Bar products when you text IQ Bar to 64,000. That's IQ Bar to 64,000.
Nice and quiet.